Hey there, online students. It's Dr. Buer on Monday, June 13th, in the, I guess now the 6th week of classes. I hope all of you are doing great. I'm sitting in my big comfy chair at home. We are about to leave on a trip to go visit family in Georgia, so I'll be traveling for the next week. But I'll still be covering the classes, so don't hesitate to get in touch with me if you need anything. I do hope you're doing okay in the heat. It is now really, really hot here in Dallas, getting over 100 degrees. So please take care of yourself, have some fun, but let's get to work. All right, for classes this week, we've got in NT 5103, we are now in our normal flow for the majority of the class, which is translating and working through John chapter 4 and then the book of Philippians. You'll see that we've got some various study guides. Whoops, I'm sorry, I'm around June 10th. I need to be a little bit further along. We've got various study guides due this week. We've got a little translation quiz that's going to cover some of the translation that you did in John chapter 4. So it's our normal flow. We're going to be translating the text, working through the study guides, learning the grammar, kind of applying everything that you've learned from Wallace's text. It's very in some ways tedious, but at the same time, it's one of the best ways to really learn the grammar well. And I hope you find it pretty exciting before all is said and done. In NT 5104, we are currently working on the commentary. We are wrapping up our exegetical method, and the last thing that we take a look at is the commentary. This is when you write your exposition and understanding of the exegesis of the text. It's not meant to be, at this point, applicational or theological. It's really meant to be descriptive of what is going on in the text, what Paul meant when he communicated to the Ephesians. You will see that I've got a little example in the files. We've got a few videos to watch on this. It's probably pretty straightforward, though. I believe you've probably done things like this before, but of course let me know if you've got questions as they come up. In NT 5110, we are currently working on historical criticism. This is a particular way that we study the New Testament, which is based both on history and critical investigation. Criticism in this sense is not a bad word. It's more of a method of study, of asking questions, probing, getting evidence, etc. And so we want you to understand that because it's the way that we approach the New Testament, and it's the way that most people outside in the world approach the New Testament, so it gives you a chance to think about questions that come up and how they are discussed. So this is a normal video unit. We've got videos to watch, reading to do, and then a discussion question which asks you to interact with that particular issue of historical criticism. So if you got questions as the week progresses, don't hesitate to let me know. I will be, like I said, traveling, but I won't be out of touch. So I look forward to working with you online, and I hope you have a great week. See you soon.